This is super, it's simple, and it's gonna get you in Spidey shape. Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to Atypical Athletics, your #1 fitness channel for kids, teens, adults, and anyone in between looking to get themselves in superhero shape. I'm Adam, this is Anthony, and today we got a really fun workout planned for you guys. It's called our Spidey Super Simple Sampler. This is a workout that you can do absolutely anywhere. You can do it at home. Where else can you do it, Anthony?
You can do it at home, you can do it in the park, you can do it in the aisles at the grocery store. The options are really limitless. Waiting at the dentist's office, you know what? This is something that we can do here. These are a couple of our favorites here. These are classics, like Adam said. Takes no equipment, no partners. You can do this at home, by yourself, up and down the hallway. Here's our favorite couple, guys.
All right, you heard that, guys. You don't need a gym to do this. Spidey doesn't need a gym to be in superhero shape, and neither do you. Let's hop right into this.
All right, guys, here we go. We got the Super Spidey Sampler happening right here. Okay, like we said, guys, no weights needed here for these first 3 exercises. Then we're gonna bring you 3 more that we can add a little bit of weight to. Doesn't matter if you don't have any dumbbells, any kettlebells, any plates like that. We'll just do fine. We'll make do. All right, so getting right into it here, we got Adam's first exercise he's gonna get showing us here is the Spidey Sumo Walk here. So he's going down nice and low, shooting his Spidey webs. All right, so as you can see, Adam's here taking nice big steps. He's staying nice and low to the ground, making sure he feels it there, guys, right? Once he hits the wall, he's gonna turn it around here, heading back down the other way. Great. He's always looking in front of him. He's coming, he's swinging. This is exercise 1 here, guys. This is happening. One down here, guys. Second one coming at you here. So Spidey Sumo's out of the way. Here comes our Spidey crawl. We're going wall crawling here, guys. This is how Spidey gets those Spidey muscles nice and strong here, climbing the walls. Look at Adam climbing that wall. He's nice and low, guys. No matter how high you are, how low you are on this one, it's all right. We're just enjoying being down here, building those muscles, building that strength. He's turning around, and he's coming back down.
I'm still coming.
He's coming. He's climbing that wall.
No,
he's bringing it.
I'm going to save some people. Don't worry. I'm coming.
Okay guys, 2 down, exercise number 3, third bodyweight exercise. Right here we're coming at you with the Spidey hops, all right? Hopping building to the building, hopping over burning fires, staying low here. Try and get as far as you can here on each of these hops, guys. You got 4 or 5 coming down, turn it around. Well, we're hopping back here.
I'm still coming.
He's on his way.
Don't worry.
Looking great here. Perfect. There's 3 bodyweight exercises up and down the hall, guys. Anyone can do it anywhere, anytime. All right, guys. Here we are now here back at the starting line. So we got through these 3 great exercises here, all the body weight here, guys. So we had 1, 2, 3. Coming up 3 left here, second half of this workout here. So these ones have weights involved in these. Here, Adam's here holding a couple kettlebells. If you don't have kettlebells in your house, you don't have dumbbells, you don't have plates, nothing to be worried about. Grab a carton of milk or a carton of water out in the refrigerator. Fill up with, you got a bag of sand, you got some pasta that's going to waste in the kitchen. Anything you got, guys. Anything, a couple pounds to it, you'll be good. Anything with a little bit of resistance here. So Adam's in a starting position here, and from here, he's got his shoulders down and back, his chest nice puffed up in the air, and now he's looking straight and he's walking straight. So he just picked out a spot, he's going nice straight line, letting that weight hold him down a little bit. He's not getting wavered too much to one side or to the other. He's nice and straight here, guys. Building up core strength here. Everything from the chest to the core to the glutes to the legs here. Adam gonna be here all day. How many laps does he have in him? All right, guys. After the farmer carry, we got 2 weights in there. We were a little bit tired, but now it's time to go to work. This next one we're calling suitcase carry. So we go from 2 dumbbells, 2 weights, 2 pasta buckets to 1 here. So one side. So what that weight's going to want to do, guys, if that weight's on the right side of Adam's body, it's going to want to pull him down to the right side there. We don't want that to happen. We want to keep that weight nice and straight. Also, guys, we don't want to go all the way to the other side and overbomb it. We want to keep that nice and straight, guys. So grab your heavy suitcase and off to work and off to school we go. So I'm just taking the same thing, guys. He's going nice straight line, nice and tall, like a proud boy walking to his first day kindergarten.
Got my lunch.
Perfect job, guys. Okay guys, third and final weighted exercise for this Super Spidey workout here. So we did the 3 body weights and we got 3 weighted here. So guys, this one is the most advanced of the bunch. This one should be done only after you mastered the rest here, guys. So once again, we take a little bit of weight here, whatever you're comfortable with. So Adam's got his weight here and he's going over the head. We call this exercise a waiter's carry. So Adam's got his waiter, his plate of food he's carrying out there.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop that
Don't
food.
drop it. Chef Spidey,
Nice and tall. Don't let that plate let you wobble. Perfect. He's gonna go down the bag. Is that what you got on that platter, Adam? You got spaghetti on that platter?
I do.
Pick your favorite cuisine. And we're walking. Wonderful job, guys. Wonderful job.
Yo, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the Spidey Super Simple Sampler Workout. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. We certainly had a great time. We're tired. We hope that you're tired, because that means you put 100% effort into it, just like Spider-Man. Keep doing these workouts every single day, so that way we can whip you into superhero shape. This has been Adam, this is Anthony, and this is Atypical Athletics. Be sure to drop that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Catch you later.